Another new arrival is 1940 Pontiac Deluxe 8 Silver Streak Superior Hearse. Black over blue. It's parked in my office for some reason. I don't know why. Black over blue, lovingly preserved. This thing is really well. I mean, do you expect a hearse not to be well maintained? You probably don't want to see a hearse that's got, the sagging headliner.
Yeah. There are out there, not this one.
Probably are.
Always clean.
Yeah, rarely seen. I mean, you just don't see these, and especially from 1940.
Mm-hmm.
When was the last time you saw a hearse from the 40s or even 50s for that matter?
Never.
They just don't exist. So
Rarely even in movies.
yeah, they're just not seen.